This online demonstration will show you how to find TTRB resources by doing a simple keyword search of the site. Keyword searches allow you to find relevant resources quickly and easily by selecting appropriate words for your topic. Before you start searching, it's often a good idea to identify as many relevant keywords to your assignment or your research brief. Try to limit your search to just a few keywords, unless you're looking for a very specific phrase or term, for example the Rose Report or Every Child Matters. You can do a keyword search from any TTRB web page by using the search box at the top of the page. There's also a shortcut button to show you recently used keywords, and you can select them if required. In this search, we're looking for resources about different misconceptions that primary school pupils have in mathematics. We don't type in the whole phrase, but instead type mathematics misconceptions. We then select exact phrase and click on the search button. This gives us a list of 6 results. All of them are e-librarian questions on this topic. We're focusing on Key Stage 1 pupils, so we can refine the results by selecting from the Key Stage menu on the left-hand side. Select Key Stage 1 and click on Refine Results. This gives us 4 resources. As well as misconceptions, we're going to search with an alternative term, mathematical concepts. So we type in these keywords, again select exact phrase and click on the search button. We now have a list of 25 resources to have a look at, which is more than our previous search. Once again, we can narrow these down by educational level by selecting the key stage again. In the next search, we're going to look for resources about English assessment, and our first keyword search is assessment for learning. This term gives us more than 100 results, which is too many for us to read through. So we're going to refine the results by the curriculum area or subject. Here we select English from the drop-down menu and click on Refine Results. This gives us a much more manageable number of 12 results to have a look through. There's one resource in particular which looks really useful, so we want to save this in our collection to read later. You do need to be logged into the TTRB to save resources. We've given the collection the name AFL for Assessment for Learning, and then we click on Add to My Collection. Here we also have the option of emailing or printing the article. If we then click on My TTRB at the top of the page, we'll see the article has been saved. As well as assessment for learning, we're going to search with the alternative term of formative assessment. Once again, this gives you a considerable number of results to evaluate, some of which might be different to the previous list. If we're happy with the list of resources that we have and we want to look at the most recent items first, we can click on Order by Publish Date. Or we can leave them in order of relevance by clicking on the same button again. Identifying as many appropriate and relevant keywords for your research area is very important when you search for any type of resources. If necessary, use a thesaurus, such as the one that's available on the British Education Index online. This can only improve your chances of finding the right piece of literature to support your work.